Okay, I think I have finally solved the spacing and the ball feeding, and that all works properly. So if we turn that on, got the barrel off at the moment. Is he homing? Cool. Now, if you feed the balls in, it kind of sits at the top there, which is where it catches. And then when you fire, it takes 2 seconds feed. Shooting very nicely. And now it's time for it to get a cover. So took a couple of versions to get the hole at the back properly lined up with there you go. It fits quite nicely. And the hole in the back is the trigger that holds the magazine in. This goes nicely onto the receiver. I might do something that kind of mounts the white bit to the casing once I've done that, but for now I'm just going to drill a couple of holes around the back, well, around the side to fix the case. Busy printing a new cover in the front that will be the barrel mount, and then it's almost ready from a gun perspective. I might just need to have a better look at how we fix the receiver and the barrel. Every now and then one of the balls still gets caught a little bit. I think it's just the way it comes out of the wheels, but otherwise it's getting there. So the platform is nice and stable. I had to up the amps on the one stepper just because with the weight it was struggling to lift its head a little bit, but it's running nice and cool. Everything's working well. Now it's just time to redo this umbilical cord, and I'm not very happy with this electronics box, and I've got extra bits that I have to. I've got a separate feeder for the motors, because if the motors can't turn, they push the amps up and then the whole thing kind of trips out. You have to reset it. So I'm running the wheels, the motors off a separate power supply, triggered through a relay through the board. So when I push the button, it triggers that, which triggers that, which puts power from here to the motors. So yeah, need to reconfigure this thing, I think, is next, once this is all done and assembled. So getting there and making good progress.